if you want to turn off your iPhone Findable After Power Off option on your iPhone 16e, first of all, you have to open up your settings. After that, we have to tap on our Apple ID and our name, then choose your Find My option, choose your Find My phone option, make sure to turn off Find My network option, and now we have to tap on Find My iPhone as well. After that, we have to enter our current Apple ID password. Confirm your choice by pressing turn off. Alright, sometimes it happens. Let's do this second time. And there we are. Now Find My iPhone is turned off. All right, now let's try and power off our iPhone by any means possible. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.